Hello Bay drivers, this is David Foster, Senior Safety Manager. Today with me I've got Pat McKinley. Pat's been a driver here for Bay Transportation for over 25 years, and he's going to assist me in demonstrating some very simple things that you should be doing for pre-trip inspections every single day. Really a pre-trip inspection, if you want to be a better, safer, more professional driver, it all starts with a thorough pre-trip inspection. So today we're going to go over how to do an air system bleed down test. And this is the only way that you can really determine whether or not you have an air leak in on your truck, on your trailer, or anywhere in the system at all. So with that being said, we're going to head up to the truck here and show you how it's done.